Hey everybody, how's everyone doing? Good, I hope. Do a little scratch here. Got two $10 tickets, bankroll doubler, and a Wizard of Oz. Hope everyone's well. I'm a little happy. Eagles got their first win this week. Start with the bankroll doubler. Our numbers are 24, 17, 7, 16, 36, and 21. Get a dollar sign auto win. Bankroll doubler is a doubler, and a bank is a win all. Yeah, it's a little boring, but I'll take a win when you're 0-2. 3, 20, 17, or 12 rather. I had a little bit of luck on this. My man R.K. Kelly is tearing them up, is he not? 5, 18, 26, 1, 25, 39, 27, 22, 28, and 32 for a no-win ticket. Let's do the Wizard of Oz. Bob, you stay at it, stay sober, you're doing good. Say hi to all the girls, Texas Candy, Chompy, and Michigan. Wizard of Oz, as you know, my favorite. 14, 23, 26, 13, 12, 22. I like that combination. I've never seen it. 3 reds, 3 backs, black to back, back to back, black. 18, 31, 17, 7, 11, 25, 4, 1, 8, 24, 40. How about a flying monkey or a poppy? 30. We got a flying monkey. Good. Flying monkeys! That's what I'm going as Halloween. Only I have to be a really big flying monkey. And 39. What do we got here? We have the famous Pennsylvania chemical wash. You pay 10, you get 10. Well, here's my theory. When RK's doing great, everyone else is losing. So I don't want to put any bad juju on RK. But with that being said, you all have a great night. Peace.